Hi students, in this video I'll be going through the 2018 paper 1 question 4 of the mathematics paper. Alright, so let's read the question. So in the diagram, B, C and D are points on a circle. ABC is a straight line, angle BCD equals to 38 degrees and angle ADB equals to 129 degrees. So explain why BC is not the diameter of the circle. Okay, so for this kind of explanation question, what you need to do is you need to ask yourself, what concept are they testing you about? Okay, so over here you have a circle, and then they mention the diameter of the circle, right? So you need to start thinking about what are the properties of a circle that involve the diameter. Okay, so the most obvious one that will come to mind would be a right angle in a semicircle. Okay, because if we have a diameter, right? Okay, so if let's say BC is the diameter, then it's going to divide the circle into two semicircles, and then the angle that is formed at the circumference, in this case, angle BDC, right, should be 90 degrees. Okay, but now they are asking us to explain why it's not a diameter. So if BC is not a diameter, then BCD, okay, this is arc BCD, or BDC, right? Okay, will no longer be a semicircle. So if it's no longer a semicircle, then the angle at the circumference that is formed should not be equals to 90. Right, so now our immediate aim should be to find the value of BDC, and then we should show that it's not equals to 90. If it's not equals to 90, then BD will not be the diameter. Right, so how are we going to find angle BDC? So over here you can see that DBA is actually an exterior angle. So this is an exterior angle. Okay, exterior angle of the triangle, right? So over here we have one interior opposite angle over here, and the angle that we need, the BDC, will be the other interior opposite angles. Okay, so in this instance, we can use the property exterior angle of triangle equals to sum of interior opposite angles to help us to calculate our BDC. Right? Okay, so let's do that. So angle BCD plus angle BDC. So I'm now adding up the two interior opposite angles, and it will be equals to the exterior angle ABD. All right. So this is the property exterior angle of triangle equals to sum of interior opposite angles. All right. Okay, so now this will allow us, let's find the values and calculate out angle BDC. So this will be 38 degrees plus angle BDC. It will give us 129 degrees. So angle BDC, you can calculate to be 91 degrees. So indeed it's not 90 degrees. Okay, so this shows that BC is not the diameter and BDC is not the not a right angle in the semicircle. Okay, so let's write that. Okay, so it's good to state the property that we are focusing on for this question, right, in your statement. So let's write, since angle BDC, right, is not equals to 90 degrees, 91, okay, it is not a right angle in a semicircle. Okay, so it's good to involve the property that is being tested over here, right, in your statement. Okay, hence BC is not a diameter of the circle. Right, so questions like this are typically not difficult. Okay, so basically what you need to do is be clear about the property, the concept that they are testing on this question. Okay, and then understand how that property works. In this case, the property works in the case that if BC is a diameter, then BDC will be 90. So if BDC is not 90, then in reverse counter argument, then BC will not be a diameter of the circle. Right?